In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find recently installed apps on Android. Whether you're trying to track down a new app you just downloaded, or you want to review what's been installed on your phone lately. This process is simple once you know where to look. First, unlock your Android phone and head to the main home screen. From here, look for the Google Play Store icon. This is usually a multicolored triangle. Tap to open the Play Store. Once the Play Store is open, you'll want to get to your account options. Look toward the top right corner of the screen for your profile picture or initial inside a circle. Tap on that. This will open a small menu with several options related to your account and settings. In that menu, select the option labeled Manage Apps and Device. This is where Android keeps a clear list of what's installed on your phone and what you've installed in the past. Tap on it once. You should now see a couple of tabs or sections. Find the one that says Manage and tap it if it's not already selected. On this screen, you'll see a list of apps associated with your device. By default, they may be sorted alphabetically, which isn't very helpful if you're trying to see what's new. To change that, look for a small button or text near the top that says something like Name or Recently Updated. Tap on that to open the sort options. From the list of sorting choices, select Recently Installed. Depending on your Android version, it might say Recently Added or something very similar, but the idea is the same. Once you choose this option, the list will refresh and show your apps starting with the most recently installed at the top. The very first entries are the latest apps you've put on your device. You can tap any app in this list to see more details, such as when it was installed, its size, and the option to uninstall it if you don't want it anymore. A quick tip: if you don't see an app here that you're sure you downloaded, double-check that you're signed into the same Google account you used when you installed it. Also remember that system apps or apps installed from outside the Play Store might not appear in this list. And that's all you need to do to find your recently installed apps on Android, using only the built-in Play Store tools.